Bonjour, my name is Gibiingwe'onikewin and I'm from Red Lake, Minnesota.
Gibiingwe'onikewin, Gibiingwe'onikewin, Sagakweganson, Mojwagan, Shushkwegagan, Shushkwegaige Dupuan, Kashkigwasu Abajichigan, Gibiingwe'onikewin, 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 Noa Juminande Wabigon.
Place your pattern face to face. Quilting batting, optional as a filter. Place your elastics between layers. You can use pins to keep them in place. Opposite side of your ear strap, you want to place another ear strap elastic. These are where the elastics are on opposite sides. These are the layers. Start with the corner that the elastic is pinned in. Take your pin out and sew leave about centimeter, half a centimeter seam allowance, and back stitch. Take out the pin before you sew. Place your needle down and pivot your mask. Make sure to tuck your elastic in a little bit so you don't sew it into the seam. Edge, you want to leave about a 3-inch opening so you can reverse your mask inside out. You want to trim any excess fabric that you don't need on your edges. Also, be sure to cut edges. You can place ground cedar in between the layers of your fabric, between the second layer and the batting. Also, you can use dried lavender if you like for a nice relaxing scent. Shake it around, mix it up a little bit. You want to flip your mask inside out and pull your elastics. Flatten your mask. Okay. That. Some people press it with an iron. I like to pin it and sew it. You can press it later if you like. I like to finish it with a zigzag stitch too because it catches all the edges. You don't have to keep going over it. You can press edges with the iron to make them nice and flat. Just do not melt your elastic. Top and your bottom. I would say put the seam at the bottom because this will be on your nose. Pin edges like that. You want to put the needles going up this way so that you can take them out as you sew. Make your second pleat about 1.5 inches down. Place pins on both sides of your mask. So 3 pins on each side. Place your foot on top of the corner of the mask. Remove the first needle. Back stitch forward. Keep sewing and remove the needles as you go. Back stitch. Done. To make your mask extra sturdy, you can stitch another row, and don't forget to back stitch. Other side, make sure both are even. Sometimes the pleats tend to flatten out a little bit, so just make sure both are even if you need to stretch it out a little bit.